Just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog and welcome here to Orange County, California. Today, we are filming Manny Khoshbin's collection, maybe the coolest collection in all of the state of California. Last time we filmed with Manny, it's crazy. He has a P1, he has a Veyron. I was trying to decide, do I buy a Veyron, do I buy a P1? He took me for a ride in both cars and we ended up with the Bugatti. So today we're gonna go show him the car that we bought, which would be really cool, get his perspective, and maybe he'll wanna buy it. Maybe, right? Manny, you want to buy my Veyron? It's an obligation, it's a Veyron. Go, oh my gosh, warp speed. Nothing is like a Bugatti. This car is so brutally fast. Wow. You know what's even faster though? The new Bugatti. It's called a Chiron. It's got 1,500 horsepower and Manny has one. This is so surreal. There's 450 Veyrons in the entire world. And yes, naturally, Manny has one of them. Just chilling, just dumped in the parking lot. That's actually the car we rode in last time. That's the car that convinced me I had to go Bugatti. Okay, we gotta park up. I love how we just have two Veyrons dumped between a Mini Cooper right here. Looks so cool as a pair. Check that out. And of course, the man, the legend, Manny Khoshbin. I'm great. Woo. Can you believe it? Last time I was here, you took me for a ride in that Veyron, and now I bought it just because of you.
I love it. I love it.
Dude, thank you so much for having us. Appreciate it.
Of course.
I'm excited to see the 4GT. I'm trying to think, what else do you have that's new? Speedtail. The Speedtail.
The Speedtail's at the shop.
Oh, okay. Next time.
But I'm gonna have you drive my Chiron Hermes edition.
Wait, what? Are you sure?
That was a surprise. Yeah.
I don't know if that's a good idea. I mean, I guess I am somewhat qualified as a Bugatti owner.
Well, you already got your feet wet with the Veyron.
Exactly.
I think you'll be okay.
I need an extra 499 horsepower, I think, because 1,001 is not quite enough.
Have you driven a Chiron before?
I have.
Oh.
But not your Chiron.
Okay,
not a one-off.
Require some booties, but
okay, I can wear booties. So per usual, it's absolute chaos here at Manny's collection. He's got to move so many cars in and out to get all the cars situated just perfectly. We're gonna pull my Veyron into Manny's collection. Such a surreal experience. I think the first time I filmed here was probably 4 years ago, and I think we were driving a Nissan Versa SV. Also, how sick is this Heritage 4GT with that full carbon fiber hood? One of the coolest cars, probably one of the best cars for the money as well. Such a sick car, but Manny's got so much more inside. Luke, he's got a GT3.
What?
Maybe we sell him the Veyron and we get a GT3 and we drive that home.
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. It's always such a special experience walking into Manny Khoshbin's Grand Theft Auto garage. We have the Hermes Chiron right there, of course the Rembrandt Vitesse, but maybe, quite possibly, just maybe, the coolest McLaren P1 in the world. Full exposed matte carbon fiber. I'm telling you guys, if we sell the Veyron, I'm pretty sure, not this car, but one of these sooner than you think. Wait, what? That's right. So Manny just got this Veyron back from servicing as well. He actually paid to get the new tires on, the $40,000 tires. They look good. That's like the ultimate flex. If you have a Bugatti and you rock factory tires, that's true baller status. So Manny has all three generations of like the modern Bugattis. We have the new Chiron 1,500 horsepower, the original Veyron with 1,001, and then behind Luke, we have the Rembrandt, the Vitesse, with 1,200 horsepower. This one is full exposed brown carbon fiber. I'm kind of getting Veyron envy because this interior is such an upgrade from mine, and especially with the roof off, you can hear those 4 turbos so well. One of the coolest Veyrons. There's only 3 Rembrandts in the entire world. 1,200 horsepower Vitesse in exposed carbon fiber. The sun, that is beautiful. This is just kind of one of those legacy things to park my Veyron in Manny Khoshbin's collection. Like, it's hard to explain this to you guys. I've been to this collection so many times, so many years ago, and to now be able to park my Veyron next to Manny's is just such a surreal experience. Man, I look away for 2 seconds and Luke is drooling over Manny's brand new GT3. Don't you have work to do, bro? All right, so it's time for us to leave. But actually, this GT3 is so sick. I love the new swan neck. Is that a swan neck wing right there? That thing is so sick. You would look good in this, Luke, don't break it. This is one of the first business trips that Luke and I have gone on together, and immediately at the most expensive garage in the world, he almost like rips off the pole. It almost falls on a carbon P1.
Manny, I'm very sorry. This place is awesome though.
And you're never coming back. This GT3 is so gorgeous. Every time I start filming a clip though, I'm just like drawn to this car. The matte carbon fiber with the white interior. goodness. If Manny ever sells this, Manny, if you sell this, I'm buying it. It's so cool to see the evolution of the Veyron to the Chiron with the Vitesse, because that car's kind of like the bridge car between these two cars. The Chiron is so aggressive, especially with the Skyview, the sunroof's right there, and this Hermes front grille is so sick. It's not a pure white, it's like kind of like a beige. It is so cool with the matching wheels as well. So Manny has generously offered to let me drive this car. To say I'm nervous would be the understatement of the year. This is a one of one, like it's a one-off car. It's priceless. Now, of course, we can't come to Manny's collection without showing off his SLR collection. Manny, how many SLRs do you have?
I have 9, but one of them is at the factory getting a one-of-one treatment.
Ooh, more to come on Manny's channels. Guys, if you are not subscribed to Manny's channel, check out the link below. You have so many crazy cars coming. You have the Valkyrie, can I say that?
Yes.
You have the Project 1, the AMG 1, can I say that?
Yes.
I'm not gonna say any more. You have other cars.
Bugatti Veyron.
Okay, I can say that. I wasn't sure, okay. He has the Bully coming, lots of hypercars, and 9 SLRs. This is insane. Honestly, one of the coolest cars ever built. And underappreciated. All these cars are gonna be worth $1 million plus before you know it.
I agree. That's why I'm buying him. I'm hoarding him.
You control the market.
This is my retirement right here.
So I didn't expect this, and Luke and I were joking about this, but maybe Manny is gonna buy the Veyron. You just posted an Instagram story buying it.
Oh, that's not binding. I'm still negotiating.
Is that not a verbal contract? I don't even know what you paid for it, but I don't know. I mean, car's here, it's already parked. Maybe this is the time and the place to do it.
If you give me a lifetime warranty on the car.
I think we know that's definitely not gonna happen. I just dropped $35,000 on the Veyron, which was worth it, but for a lifetime, maybe not. So, we're gonna move the Veyron back outside, and we're gonna take the Hermes Chiron. Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Well, you're insured, right?
Well, obviously, of course I'm insured. Of course. Luke, could you call my insurance agent real quick?
You're insured.
We're insured. I'm pretty sure we're insured. We must be insured. Nothing like it, boys, man. Nothing like it. A cold startup on the Chiron. It just has this brute force. I don't know. Manny's offering to let me drive this. I want to, but at the same time, I'm very nervous. This car's priceless. There's just nothing like the front end of a Chiron. Those 4 headlights are so sinister, and this spec is absolutely gorgeous. So Chirons are trading for north of $3 million. If I sold my Veyron for $1.5 million, we'd be halfway home, but at the same time, I have the Veyron finance, so we're really not even close whatsoever. But someday, one day, I know I say this every single time I see a cool car, someday, one day, I think we need a Chiron. Veyron's looking smug there in the back next to the GT. That's so sick. So the running joke every time we film with Manny is that he's gonna warm up the tires, and then immediately he goes full send to the moon, and I have to hold up for dear life. It's a tradition, right? We have to do it. This interior is breathtaking, dude. Oh my gosh, I've never been in a more beautiful interior of any car in my entire life. I feel like an angel right now. Oh my gosh. I love Chiron so much.
Pushing it. We gotta warm up the tires.
Dude, a Veyron is fast, but a Chiron is just next level. Jeez.
Cold tires.
Cold tires, yeah, cold tires. It's my turn already?
Yeah,
the tires aren't even warm yet. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh, bro!
Warming it up. I think it's warm.
I'm not gonna drive like that. I don't think we need the tires warm for me. Oh my gosh, that was like 4 wheel spin right there.
Yeah, come on in.
In a 50, okay, wow. Okay, this is actually happening. To say I'm nervous would be an understatement. Luckily, I wore deodorant, so yeah. Are you ready, Manny?
Okay, go.
Okay. Go.
Whoa!
Oh, jeez.
Oh my God! Take it easy, man.
I told you shouldn't let me drive this. I told you.
Okay, this guy's crazy.
I've learned from the best, though.
All right. I think I'm gonna have him drive my cheapest car next time.
Okay, this is insane. Welcome to Manny Khoshbin's new palace. Bro, this is crazy. 71,000 square feet?
71,000 square feet on 6.2 acres, but it's under construction. It's gonna be amazing by the time I'm done with it.
You got room for a lot more cars. You gotta buy some more cars. Few more, just a few more. When Manny says a few more, a lot more. Well, just like that, the car is in the parking spot, safe and sound. I did not crash Manny Khoshbin's priceless Bugatti Chiron, but welcome to Manny Khoshbin's new compound, 71,000 square feet, and note, it's paint to sample. Like, he actually matched the paint to the Chiron. That's the ultimate flex. Could you imagine on my house, Luke, if we painted it purple? Might have to happen. Bro, what? Look at that. I feel like we're in Versailles right now. That's incredible. Look at this staircase. This is Manny Khoshbin's new supercar palace. Oh my, Luke, we gotta step up.
This your employees are gonna work here?
Yeah.
Wait, are you hiring?
Hey, no.
You just lost your cameraman.
Bro. So this right here is Manny's future garage right here. So he's obviously got to clean out a bunch of work right here. It's gonna have that same white feel as his current garage, but he's gonna be able to fit like 16, 18 cars in here. Dude, we gotta step up our game.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna tell you. You gotta step up your game.
This is crazy. All right, so my battery is flashing red. We gotta get to the airport. Manny's gotta go to lunch, so we are going to get lunch as well. Manny, thank you so much.
Great. It was great. You have great driving skill. But I don't need from a legend in another Bugatti. Take care.
Next time we see Manny, we might be filming at his new garage. That car is so sick. Well, from the Chiron to the Veyron. So we gotta go dump the Veyron. We gotta catch a flight back to the beautiful state of Utah. Luke's got a hot date with the wife, and we're late. Also, Snapchat girl. Maybe I'll see Snapchat girl tonight. Whoa, that's right, baby. Well, boys, the Bugatti has been dropped off for storage. We're gonna see it around the 1st of January. We are flying back to the beautiful state of Utah. That's 3 videos in 3 days. We are crushing life. Burlacker. If you want to trademark me, well, it's a long process. Yeah, we're flying back to Utah. We got house stuff, and the Ferrari 458 is done. And on that bombshell, today's video is over. That SUV just lost his antler. We're gonna save him. Let's grab it. Grab the antler, bro.
We'll take it to him.
Thank you. Dude, this is like, where'd they go? No, oh, come on. I don't know how to drive this car. Oh, there they are. We got your antler. We got it, bro. Merry Christmas.